Hi friends, I am Ruben. This is my third video. In this video, we talk about the Demat account. What is Demat account? Demat account is a decentralized account. It is an electronic form. We can store our shares in the depository organization. In India, there are two different depository organization. The number one is National Securities Depository Limited. The number two is Central Depository Services Limited. For example, in bank we can store our money. Like that, in Demat account we can store our shares. It is useful for the investors, those who trade for a long time. For example, one investor buy the shares in today and sell the shares after 1 year or after 5 years. He can store their shares in the Demat account. And the next one is the segments. In the share market, types of trading segments. What are? First one is BFO. BFO means BSE futures and options. The future and the options are the advanced in the share market. It is a derivative. It's called BSE future and option means we can trade future and option in the BSE stock exchange, the listed stocks in the BSE. The NFO means Nifty futures and options. It is a same like that, but we can trade in the NSE Nifty stocks. And then MCX means multi commodity exchange. It is a commodity exchange. It is like a different commodities. I will explain in the upcoming videos. So it is advanced. I will definitely explain. And then CDS is currency derivative segments. There are so many currencies in the world, so it is like that. Currency derivatives I will explain in the upcoming videos, don't worry friends. And the next one is the types of product in trading. What are the types? The first one is CNC. CNC means cash and carry. Cash and carry means we can have 1 lakh rupee means we have to buy the shares, particular shares. And for example, if you buy the share for Reliance, you can buy 100 shares. You can hold the shares in the Demat account for a long time. But you can buy the shares by your own money, your own capital. The brokers didn't give any leverages. And the next one is NRML. NRML order is same like that. It was used in futures and options and other currency and the commodity also. And the next one is MIS. MIS means margin intraday square off. It means the trader must square off his trade within the specific time. In India, the trading time was 9:15 to 3:30. But some brokers gave the square off time is 3:15 to 3:20. And the next one is cover order. Cover order means we can buy the shares with stop loss. For example, if you buy Reliance shares at the price of 1000, then your stop loss will be 5 rupees less than 995. If you buy that, if that stock will go down, then your stop loss will hit, so your loss will limited. And the next one is bracket order. BO means bracket order. It is an advanced. In this bracket order there are three options. The one is the buying price, and then your target and your stop loss. And the next one is Demat account opening process. What are the processes are available for to open a new Demat account. First, you have to select the broker. I already tell you have to compare the brokers who are best for the service in India in the market. So you have to select the broker, which broker is suitable for you. And the next one is you have to fill the e-application. It's like a form. You have to fill that form in an online basis, e-basis. You have to submit, and then you have to submit your documents, identity document and address document. It's like PAN card, Aadhaar card, and then your bank account details, and then your bank account statement for 6 months, like that. And the next one is the payment of account opening charges to the broker. It means you have to pay a certain amount to the broker for account opening. They charge some amount. Some brokers collect 200, some brokers collect 300 for both, for commodity and equity. And then final, if you have paid that, then your account verification is sent to the depository or organization by the broker. Then the broker will provide a user ID and password to you. Then you can start a trading. That's it, guys. It's very easy. Let's do it. If you have interest in trading, then you can do it. First you have to educate. First you have to learn what is share market, and then you can start your own capital. Don't go for your parents' money. They are suffer a lot to earn that money. So keep in mind, guys. Let's see you in the next video. If you have any doubts, please text me in the comment box. Thank you.